This is the PTX 1118. This is a custom build-to-order tool that we did for a customer who needed to crimp an extrusion. This is on a weather strip extrusion on a door. This particular one, there is a rubber seal, like a weather strip seal, that goes into this channel, and to prevent that seal from slipping back and forth through the channel, they were looking for a way to crimp both ends of this extrusion to maintain that weather strip in place. So this is the extrusion prior to the crimp. This is the extrusion after the crimp. Now in this particular case, customer was crimping one side at a time manually, and that's obviously very time consuming. So this tool was designed to crimp both sides at one time and not interfere with the weather strip that's on the other side. So the tool was designed to slide in between the extrusion, so we had to get and avoid that little section of the extrusion. Slides inside the extrusion, and with one stroke crimps the extrusion. Okay, so one step and the process is done rather than two steps doing it manually. All right, if you have a similar application with an extrusion, give us a call. This particular one, the PTX 1118, as I said, is a build-to-order tool, so we would design one specifically for your extrusion.